I'm afraid what it did for us in part was scare people away. When they opened it up, it was very small pictures and lots of words.
The problem today is your website probably looks like it hasn't been updated in 2 years, and since your business has likely changed in that time, it has the wrong information on it. And in fact, it might even be hurting your business. I would also bet that your website can't be found in Google search.
Over the years, so many people are now using the internet to do research, to buy homes and things, and we weren't out there.
Another area you might be nervous about with enormous potential is social media. Engaging your customers and future fans is the most efficient and richest way to reach people today. Now let's turn the tables around. What do you do when you arrive at a mediocre website? How effective can a website be when it can't be found in Google search? And what kind of reach are you missing when you're not engaging with the 500 million Facebook members that are online?
Part of the impetus for switching the website wasn't just because the old one wasn't functional. We really were changing our marketing approach to Eastman.
The average visitor spends less than 10 seconds looking at your homepage to decide whether or not to continue exploring your website. You must make sure your most important information is promoted there. And how do you do that? Well, we make it easy. We start with a conversation to understand your priorities in what we call a blueprint session. We discuss your product and service benefits in detail in order to understand your sales needs. This naturally reveals what's really important to your business, and these items get slated for the home page. Once we know what we are promoting, we produce a visual blueprint which triggers the build and design process.
It's not easy working with committee, but the Complete website really handled that well. They came in, they took some of those ideas and said, those are good ideas, but let's see if we can do it this way. So they were always offering alternatives. It was an enjoyable process. It wasn't work. I didn't always look at my calendar and say, oh God, I gotta meet with them, do that website stuff. It was, all right, they're coming over, we're actually gonna do something, we're gonna get this up and running, and I just loved working with you guys. One of the best things about the public website that we have now is that we can add pages if we want to. We can put up new pictures and new things and let people know that our community isn't stagnant.
We use WordPress open source content management to give you control over your website. It's used by CNN, Harvard, Best Buy, and millions of companies large and small. We teach you how to blog in order to attract Google searches and how to use social media to engage your customers. And we put you right in the middle of the project action, which will allow you to communicate with all team members during your website build.
People can easily find us when they type in Second Home Community New Hampshire. And by changing the content periodically, it makes it newer and fresher, and we're picked up more often.
The construction and design starts after we have blueprinted your website. Form follows function, right? We also make you an offer you can't refuse in the design department. We give you 3 design choices. 1, we're going to produce a custom design for you at no charge. 2, you'll get access to thousands of professionally designed themes to choose from. Or 3, you're very welcome to bring in your own designer. The code we use is non-proprietary, standards compliant. It's lightweight and helps us build action-driven websites that also attract visitors from natural Google search. Your website is portable. If you decide to move your site to a new developer at any point in time, they can pick up right where we left off. There's no contract, and it's our job to keep you as a client. Consider us your online marketing partner. As a client, you will receive an annual website review where we go over your site's visitor activity, summarize your website's performance, and host a call to help you understand what's working and needs improvement. We call it a website performance review. We will show you opportunities to build your business with Google, blogging, and social media.
We can tell that people are actually looking at our website and not just coming to the website, going to the contact page, and sending for information.
Why not connect with us and start a conversation about building your business? We promise it'll be fun, and at the very least, we'll get you pointed in the right direction.